here we are with day 19 Excel Daily Dose Basic Functions is Error for today. Myself Dayanand with the Learn and Earn a YouTube channel. So is error evaluates the formula we have already entered and tells us whether there is an error or not. Is error returns a true if there is an error, returns a false if there is no error and the formula looks okay for us. Okay, let's have a look. Now again, I should also tell you there are two formula. One is error ERR, another one, the one which you are speaking, is error ERROR. The only difference between these two is ERR only checks for certain error type, excluding NA not available, and is error ERROR checks for all type of errors. So I prefer you to use the error with complete one. All right, so I'm going to check this one, which is E4, and evaluate. Remember, there are no other argument we require. We only need one single cell value. All right, so it returns true, saying there is an error. So wherever the formula returns is error returns true, which means the referencing cell has an error. Like this will be easy for us to use ISERROR when I have a list of when I have say 10,000 lines of formula and I would like to know which one has got some errors to fix with, right? So very useful formula. You can also use this ISERROR in terms using if function as well. That will help you to combine if and is error to make it a complex function at certain requirement. We will discuss those concepts when it comes to advanced playlist. For now, let us go back and see what was the error causing this name. The formula I had used sum. Okay, there we go. We see sum is spelled incorrectly. It's by typo. It is written as sums, not sum. That is why it is pointing an error, and ISERROR evaluates if there is an error. Okay, that's it for today's video. So hope you learned something new. Please subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.